How to fix Safari can't open the page on your MacBook computer. So if you're trying to open a website and you're getting this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve the issue. So first thing we're going to do is just go and load up a Safari browser, and then you'll need to click on Safari at the top of the page and press Settings. You can then click on Advanced and make sure Block All Cookies is unchecked like this. Now click on Extensions. And if you currently have any extensions on Safari, you'll need to go in disable these first. So as you can see, all of my extensions are already removed and disabled. You can then press Privacy, click on Website Data. You can then click on Remove All at the bottom of the page, and you'll need to go and remove all of your Safari website data. Now go and click on Security. Make sure Enable JavaScript is turned on, and then you can go and close out of this window. Now click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side of the page and press System Settings. You can then press VPN from the left hand side, and if you're currently connected to a VPN, you'll need to go and disconnect from this first. Now click on General, click on Software Update, and then make sure you're running the latest version of Mac software. If you're running outdated software, this can also cause the issue. Now finally, click back on General, click on Date and Time, and make sure Set Time and Date Automatically is turned on like this. You also need to make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is turned on. Now once you've done this, head back over to Safari, click on File and select New Private Window. You can then try heading over to your website, and that should have now solved the issue where it's not loading.